good morning and welcome you again to another online class of Monbashir School. I'm here to take the class of English Literature Standard 7. Okay, today as I've completed poem 3, so today I'm going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 5, Witch in the Forest. So everyone open your book and let's see what's in the chapter. Chapter 5, Witch in the Forest. Okay, now what is the meaning of vet? Vet means the veterinary doctor. Who are called veterinary doctors? One who treats the animals, okay, sick animals. So the story is, as it indicates the heading, Witch in the Forest. So the witch is in the forest. What is the requirement of why the witch is in the forest? This will come to know as we will go through the reading of the story. So let's start. This is a story written by Dhriti K. Lahiri Chaudhary. Okay, he is a person who is very much into the wildlife. Okay, he loved the wildlife and everything. So let's see what he has written. In April 1991, the East Medinipur Forest Division in West Bengal sought the help of the wildlife wing of the forest department. A young elephant, accompanied by a herd of more than 50 elephants, herd means group of 50 elephants, was injured and could not walk well. So there was a herd of 50 elephants, and among 50 elephants, one young elephant got hurt, okay, in the leg. And because of that injury, he could not walk properly. All attempts to drive away the herd were unsuccessful, as the herd, after being driven away, always came back to rescue their injured teammate who was lagging behind. Now see what is the meaning of this. All attempts to drive away the herd. Herd here, you know, the group of elephants. Okay, as the elephant, one elephant was injured, so it is necessary to treat that injured elephant, and so that is why the people who went there to rescue the animal, to help the animal in treating, so they cannot make that elephant away from the herd. Why? Because the herd, that is the elephant of 49, as for 50 elephants were there and one was injured, so all the remaining elephants was always accompanying the young elephant who got hurt, and whenever he is lagging behind because of the injury in his leg, he cannot walk properly, so the young elephant is always lagging behind, and the teammate and all the teammates, they are always accompanying the elephant. We arrived at the rest house of Bishnupur Forest. We hear, that means the author is saying this story. So along with the author, many other people were there. Who are they? There were 3 of us. Okay, 3 people were there. S.C. Dey. Who was S.C. Dey? He was the chief wildlife warden of the state. Subroto Chaudhary, officer specializing in tranquilizing animals. Tranquilizing means when an animal is injured, to treat that animal or to operate that animal, they have to make that animal unconscious. Okay. So tranquilizing is when you make the animal unconscious. And a hanger-on, and along with these, the author himself was there. It was getting uncomfortably hot, though it was only the middle of March. So in the middle of March only, it was too hot. The herd and the injured elephants were constantly moving. So they were moving constantly. Hence the local forest staff could give us no exact information about its current location. So these people, they went there to treat the animal, okay, to treat the injured elephant. But as the elephants and along with all the elephants, as they were moving constantly, whoever are the local staff of the forest who takes care of the forest, they cannot give the exact location where these elephants were moving. We had just decided to inquire among the villagers when a young man belonging to one of the local tribes approached us. So when they were asking the villagers whether they have seen the elephant or not, so one person from them, only one of the local tribes, they approached us. Approached us means they went to the people and said he knew where the injured elephant was. So what he told them? He told them that he knew the injured elephant where he was lying. As the animal was unable to move much, the young man was taking out branches of trees to feed it every day. So what that local person, he informed them that he knew where the injured elephant was. Okay. As he got hurt, so he was unable to move much. So the young man was taking cut branches, that means he was cutting the branches of the tree and he was feeding the animal every day. We were commonly impressed. We were enormously impressed. Why enormously impressed? Because they were searching the elephant for such a long time and now they have got the news where the elephant was. It was an area that was regularly ravaged by wild elephants during the crop season. Ravaged means damaged or destroyed. Okay, so in that place that elephant was lying. The ones to suffer the most were the tribal people with their small plots of land. So these elephants, they damaged the crops that was owned by these tribal people who had a small plot of their own land. And yet here was a young man looking after an injured elephant. We decided to track the beast the next morning. So as the elephants were destroying everything, but still this young man, he took care of the elephant and he feeds the elephant by cutting the branches of the tree. And then they decided that they will go to that exact place where the injured elephant was lying. You please mark till here, till para 4. Okay. And your homework is you will read the story. And after this also, from para 5 also, you will continue reading to understand what happened next. Till then, thank you.